In front of me is Nokia 6310 from 2021, and let me show you how to change your ringtone on this device. So if you would like to set some new ringtone, here just open menu at first, then locate settings. Here they are, and now go to tone settings. And here the first option is ringtone tone, ringing tone, sorry, so it's all for ringtone. Tap on select, pick the SIM card that you would like to change this tone to, and now just select the sound that you would like to apply. Tap on OK then, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so Coconut is our new ringtone. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.